Okay, guys, back again. So, it's been a while since I recorded anything for the channel. I've been busy with work, and when I have the time, I just chill and play some video games, and I haven't recorded anything for the channel. So, what I'm going to do right now is that I moved my project, the not Sequelize, the one we have the last video in the channel. So, I moved that. This is still not finished. I think I need to add the update, but I think we can just fire this up later so we can start recording, and I will finish that when I have the time. So I was going to check it, and I decided, well, what the hell? Let's see if this works. Um, Also, I have a Vuex. It opened. Okay, it it opens here. Sorry. So we have the Vuex Firebase, which I'm going to add to the channel later. Okay, I haven't recorded anything, really anything, and you can see the date here, 28th of December. Okay, almost a new year, almost 2021. So yeah, I'm chilling right now, waiting for it to be 2 o'clock so I can start working in a few things I have from work, of course. So yeah, this will come soon too. I hope next year I have a more an easiest schedule. Because I sleep late because I end up working late sometimes because I want to. That's the main point, and I will need to fix my own schedule so I can start recording things in the morning. So yeah, what I need to do now is just to get. I always run not dev, so let me just click here to copy that and paste it. So let's install that. I'm using laragon. I have laragon here. I fire the database and Apache. So we just need to. Okay, that seems to be done. So what I'm going to do is close this. And let's just click here, get inside this folder, and the other one was these are my projects from my other PC. I also changed my PC, that's why I'm moving stuff around. So, and I might get a webcam and a new headset and a new mic. I'm not sure. I will see how next year starts, and maybe on February and or March I should be able to change everything. So, and also the monitor, maybe, so we can get a better view on everything inside the main screen. But anyways, hopefully we get to do that. So let's say not dev, and this one is index.js. Let's see if that. Okay, it says it's not recognized as an internal or external. What the hell? Let me just do this. Okay, I didn't install that globally, right? Let's say globally. Okay, and let's see if that works. Not index. Okay, on handle promise, Sequelize error, unknown database posts. I don't have that. Okay, but that is firing, and we shouldn't get anything. But let's say HTTP just to see. Localhost 4000. You can see we have these posts, and I think this, yeah, I think this is the one. When you post my dashboard, home, Sequelize posts. What the hell? Let's check the channel to see what the hell I was doing. Okay, all the news I have notifications. Okay, something like that. Okay, sure. I'm not going to spend too much time.
So,
No,
hey
let's
guys.
no, let's not do that. And I think it was this one. Let me just mute that with M. You hit M in your keyboard and you mute the video. Let me see if this is the same one. Yeah, it didn't have the. Wait, is this the same one? I need to fix that stuff. I have some time now, so I might do it while I'm recording. So, where the hell was that? Okay, I think this should be that one. 27, October 27th. It's been a long time. So, yeah, I don't have that. I'm not sure if this is the one, but yeah, we have register login. So, that should be the one. Let's inspect the code a little bit so you have a little sneak peek of what the hell is this. So, we have email, password, and avatar. I should have, let me just check the views. Okay, this is the Sequelize config. It has nothing really, but just the development, test, and production. Okay, the controllers that we're going to take a look at. So this is pretty standard Node.js stuff. So the routes, I have the routes, okay, for the post, and I have the routes for the out. I think this is the one, yeah. And let me see the dashboard. The dashboard, I think is just the avatar with the email and the posts. Okay, because we will see how to get those the post for each user. So I'm recording, yeah, and yeah, this is the one. Okay, there's a lot of stuff here. We might need to change or to update this stuff. And okay, I think I know how to see if this is the real stuff. Yeah, because we have this state.json. You can see we have a token and a user. So this is kind of how we're going to manage stuff, and later we will build it using express sessions. Okay, it's similar to what we have, but this is going to make it easier for you to understand first how everything is set up. So yeah, this is the project that we're going to work, and it's set. We didn't have no database posts. Mm, let me just do something. Database. Um, to this. Okay, this is from work. Let's not go there. So let's go to database and let's see if I can create a new one. I can't remember how it's called. Let's say test. This is the instance, I guess. Open and let's build or let's create a new one. Database. How this one's okay, posts. Post and let's create a new one called users too, because I think that's what is going to complain later. So let's do this. Not dev index.js and create table if not exists. Let me just okay. Oh, okay, I know what's going on. My mistake was that I added the database directly as posts. Okay, so we might need to change that because the names of the tables are posts and users, and you can see we are generating that. Sequelize is adding all this stuff because we already have that in the setup. Okay, we can even add objects in a different file and feed them to Sequelize so we can get some posts already working. Okay, with some maybe images from the web. So yeah, or we can just define a folder with some images and just add them inside the migrations. But we will see that maybe later. If I just to see that we're getting that, so it's not going to complain now. And let's see. Let me just check. Let's refresh this. So if I go to register and I say I can choose a file. Okay, what can I do here? Okay, I think because I have a ton of stuff from work and shit on my downloads and stuff. So what I'm going to do is just cut here and I will record another video to see if everything works, okay, and upload it right away, of course. So at least we have the Nodejs. So this is just a kind of comeback video. So yeah, so you can see that we are going to continue with the channel, but I might explain a few things in the later video. Okay, so let's just keep that one here and continue in the next one.